day, which means it's a Cricut video. And today's an ideas video, so make sure you let me know if you like these videos. I'm not really sure, I've just been making them, and yeah, I think you guys like them, but just let me know in the comments. Today is a teacher gift ideas and advice video. First, we're gonna talk a little bit about advice, and then I'm gonna tell you some ideas you can make with your Cricut. If you don't know what a Cricut is or what one is, check out my channel for all of the cool stuff that I've taught people how to use the Cricut with, or how to stuff. And then this is a Pinterest board that I'm just mentioning, so all of these ideas I have pictures too, but they're from bloggers and things like that if you need some more inspiration. There's also some advice that I need to give you before doing that. And if you need coupon codes, check the links below as well. Teachers. Now, teachers are God's gift to parents sometimes. The fact that you can have your child go somewhere for 8 hours a day, somewhere productive, and 6 hours, however long your kid goes to school, and hopefully their teacher is, you know, a great teacher and all that stuff. Sometimes you get some iffy ones, but for the most part, teachers need appreciation. And but what I would encourage you before you make a gift or get a gift for a teacher is understand the teacher, okay? Know what the teacher likes and know what the teacher doesn't like, and know what they're okay with and what they're not okay with. And also understand if they're like a neat freak, they might not like little doodads, and if they're a clutter bug, they might not like that either. Just make sure you ask them, or just say like, hey, does all this stuff that people have given you and it kind of irks you, or do you love this stuff? You know, some teachers love having their rooms look crazy and some teachers don't. So just think about that stuff before you get them anything. With that, let's talk about some things that you can make your teacher. So, coffee labels, is that what I said? Coffee labels. I think what this means, sorry, I make these notes and then I have to look back at them. I think what this means is, especially because there'll be a picture, is cute little sayings that go with coffee gift cards. Now, gift cards are a great way to go when they don't like stuff and they drink coffee. So make sure that they drink coffee. If they're a tea drinker, then maybe some tea, or a perishable item is great too, but make sure they're not on a diet as well. So if your teacher's on a diet and they get bombarded with all these cookies and cake and stuff like that, that's gonna be mean. That's not helpful to the subject of what you're trying to do. So maybe get them something healthy that they enjoy. Do you get what I mean? And then they have these really cute printables on Pinterest that you can find, and I've put them in this Pinterest board that go well with all those little things. You can print them out and put the gift card in them and all that stuff. Panel signs. So if they do like cute things in their classroom, make them some type of sign that goes up in their classroom, custom, that says their name on it, Mr. or Mrs., this, that, you know, all that kind of stuff. A clipboard. So teachers like to carry around stuff, and a really decent gift, if they don't already have one, would be a clipboard that says something cute on the back. Maybe one of their sayings, because you know that all teachers have their saying that they say. Maybe something really cute on the back that they've always said, so that way the kids can see it, and then they can carry stuff around with them. And clipboards make you feel fancy, and why not have a really cute one? Chalkboard signs, so another sign that you can do, and then just use a chalkboard sign out of it. Tumblers, water tumblers, so everybody drinks water and everybody loves tumblers. So since I have mine right here and we did iron-on, this is a great example. Starbucks tumblers are my favorite, just to let you know. However, there's other ones on Amazon. I have links on my Amazon store as well. Coffee tumblers, same thing, but coffee. Just once again, make sure she drinks coffee, make sure that that's okay, and all that good stuff. Tote bags. So what teacher doesn't love a tote bag? You know, put that saying that they always say on it and give them a tote bag. Before and after school. Oh, that's the cute thing that I was trying to figure out what you should really worry about. So if your teacher's like, you know, you're close and you get each other, and you want to make them a mug for coffee for before school and a wine glass for after school, and then you put before school and after school. I thought that was really cute, but definitely make sure that your teacher drinks wine and coffee, and just make sure that that's okay with them. A wood sign, so another sign for their room, but in wood. And then a journal, so teachers are humans too. They probably like to write things down, so any type of journal, but just I don't know, ask them if they journal. Just take note. If they have a lot of something and they love that something, they might be okay with having another one. But ask them. Just say like, hey, you have a lot of journals, or you have a lot of tumblers, or you have a lot of these. And you know, if they bring a different tumbler to school every day, and maybe that's something they love, like having a different one. Whatever. And then an ornament. You can never go wrong with ornaments, because ornaments get put away and then get brought back out and bring out great memories. They don't take up a lot of space. So usually they already have a spot where they can just store them with all their Christmas stuff. I love giving and getting ornaments just because it's a great way for me not to clutter up stuff, but I still get to pull that memory out once a year and get reminded of it. Hand sanitizer is definitely always needed. So maybe a cute little cozy for their hand sanitizer bottles, so then they can put that in there, and then it's replaceable. And hand sanitizer is like the #1 thing that teachers are always asking for, so why not give them something cute to put it in, or something like that. Or a cute little sign that goes with their hand sanitizer, hangs their hand sanitizer. It says like, hey, clean up or something. I don't know. That was not creative, but you know. And then t-shirts. Once again, know your teacher. Do they wear t-shirts that are handmade? Stuff like that. Maybe with that cute saying on it. Maybe for a field trip that you guys are going on. Maybe for something fun. And especially if teachers like glitter, iron-on glitter is the best. And then a hoodie too. Hoodies are definitely needed for teachers when they're out, you know, if they have to go on a field trip or they have to go to PE or whatever. So hoodies are always loved by teachers, and you know that you got to be comfortable sometimes. And as cute as teachers are, there are always moments when they need to just get cozy and wear a hoodie. So a hoodie maybe with all the kids' names on the back, or whatever you decide. But I think it would be a good idea, and I would love a hoodie if I was a teacher. So those are the 14 ideas I came up with that are not going to drive the teacher nuts, but maybe there are more. I'm sure there's plenty out there that there are more, but I narrowed it down to 14 that I would actually give as a person to a teacher. So, and then I would use my Cricut, obviously. So personalized gifts are the most loved gifts, and I know this because that's what I do. I give personalized gifts with my Cricut. So just have fun with it and bless people with it. So I hope that you say thank you to your teacher this year and bless them with something fun, because it's a hard job to be a teacher. All right, love you guys. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you did like it. If you didn't, you can let me kindly know in the comments below what you didn't like about it, or what you have in your advice for me. All right, I love you guys. Goodbye.